Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Flea here, and welcome back to a brand new video where today I am finally showing you guys on YouTube my brand new computer. Look at this guy. Oh my god. Okay, let's turn this bad boy on. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this computer. Okay, so I know a lot of you guys on Discord pretty much knew and know I have a new computer, but I haven't really showed you guys on YouTube about it. So, like, as you can see some very cool stuff here. So I got this computer so games and stuff perform like better on YouTube and stuff. So I think you guys are hopefully ready to hear the specs finally. So I have a AMD Ryzen 7 2700X, which is my processor. I have a GeForce RTX 2060 graphics card, and that is nuts because on my laptop, which is actually right here because I've been doing school on there, and my monitor for other just stuff. Oh my god, guys, rainbow lights, look at that. That is so darn sick. So there's 3 fans on the front of the case, and those can be RGB, and there's the CPU cooler fan, and that's actually the one that came with the processor, and it works really well. Those 2 sticks right there are the RAM, and those are RGB as well. I absolutely adore RGB, guys. If you are a RGB hater, get out of my channel right now. So we also have 32 gigabytes of DDR4 3200 speed of Corsair Vengeance RAM. So that is really cool. I have a 1 terabyte M.2 SSD Crucial, and as you can see, the M.2 is right in there, as you can see. And I also have a 750 watt power supply, 80 plus bronze from EVGA, and this whole case is a Corsair 220T, I think it's called. And finally, the motherboard. So guys, I actually forget the name of my motherboard, so let's go get the this is the box right here. That my motherboard, guys. It's a Asus B450MA Prime. The socket is AM4, so it supports pretty much most AMD CPUs. And I think it's possible to overclock it on this motherboard. I'm not really comfortable with overclocking, to be honest. That might sound a bit weird. So yeah, that's pretty much the motherboard right there. Let's go put that back right there. You guys can see the... So yeah, guys, that is pretty much my computer. So let's see how this bad boy performs in Minecraft. I should be able to PvP and wreck some guys really, really well. Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Flea here, and yes, you did just see that really good clip of my computer. I hope you guys like my computer as much as I do. You can see the specs up there. Well, anyway, if you're actually noticing that the gameplay looks a lot more smoother, it's because I'm actually recording this video at 120 FPS, so that's why this video looks a bit more smoother. So I think we should play some Skywars, because I feel like I just feel like that's a good game to just test performance and stuff, like, in Minecraft, just while PvPing. So yeah, let's play some Skywars. I think this is a pretty cool game here. Alright, we're doing insane mode. Okay, I'm going to... You know, guys, I feel like just bridging to this guy's island already. Okay, I'm gonna kill this guy. Alright. Oh my... Oh, come on. Alright, okay, insane mode again. Let's get some wood. I'm actually gonna... Okay, I'm gonna bridge over to this guy's island. He might be AFK. I really hope so. Oh, wait, no. He's not, You might kill this guy. Okay, please. Alright, dude, okay. No! I thought I could kill that guy. Come on, you know, guys. I'll play some... Alright, guys, here we go. I'm just dueling someone in a Skywars game. Alright, let's get some blocks and stuff. There we go. Alright, let's bridge over to this guy's island, and hopefully I will win this game, unlike I did with the last games. Alright, here we go. Alright, I'm gonna shoot this guy with a lot of eggs. Alright, here we go. Why is it... Okay, alright. There we go. Alright. Now let's fight. Okay, come on. Oh, no. I'm low. Okay. Alright. Oh, come on. Oh, it's a draw? What? Huh. I guess each of us, like, win and lost. Like, we killed each other at the exact same time. I guess that was a really unusual game right there, guys. Alright. let's play another game of that real quick. Alright, I actually like playing some duels. If you guys want me to live stream a Hypixel later, then please slap the like button, subscribe, and comment if you want some extra stuff. Alright, why isn't there any sound? That's kind of freaky. Real quick here. Alright, okay. I'm just gonna do the pro strat and just, okay, I almost fell right there. Alright, this guy's up here. I'm gonna go right here as well. Okay. Alright, dude, are you ready to die? Alright. No. Okay, I'm low. Alright, snowballs. Oh my god, for a second, guys, I actually thought I dropped my sword. Alright, there we go. I won the duel. That guy lost. Alright, let's go. Alright. Well, guys, I'm actually gonna go to the hub now. That was actually, like, just, a quick little, like, video clip of just, like, you guys, seeing me, how good my computer is at running Minecraft, and it is actually really good. Speaking of running Minecraft really well, I did actually stream Minecraft Dungeons, a few hours ago, from when I'm recording this video. I'm recording this video on Saturday, and this video will be uploaded on Sunday, so yeah. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll be sure to see you next time. Be sure to subscribe, be sure to, go to my Discord in the link down below. We have tons of amazing people. You can make friends on my Discord as well. Be sure to go to my Twitch to see all of my live streams, and be sure to go to my Twitter to see all cool stuff that I post. And yeah, see you guys next time. Goodbye.